Hello. And I will be quacking a lot and barking a lot, okay? I don't know why. I feel like it. Thanks, bro.